How to edit tags in image on Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments video. Okay, so let me open the Canva. Okay guys, so here we are. So first open your Canva. Now go to the upload media. Here just upload the file or image. I just select that image and just upload it. So it will be start uploading. Now go to the edit image. After it's open edit window, now we need to go in using design. It will be open in design only. You can see this is open in design. Now just select that image. Okay, so I just select that image, go to the edit. Okay, so here you can see the option magic studio. Just scroll to right and click on grab text. Then it will be processed and it will be extract the text from this image. So you can see the image, the text has been now enabled to edit. Now just select the all. You can simply select the single text which you want to edit, or you can select the all, then all will be select. Now just grab. Okay, it's grabbed now. Now you can simply edit the text like this. After you're done, go share, download, and you can download as a PNG file or PDF file and just download to your computer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.